Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to switch account in Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. First, let's open Messenger. Click on the three lines at the top left corner. Now you're going to click on your name or the arrow. From here, you'll see the different accounts that are logged in to your Facebook Messenger. All you have to do is click on the account that you wish to log into, type in your password, and that's it. But if your other account isn't logged into your Facebook Messenger yet, all you have to do is click on Add Account, and from there you can log into your other account. And once you're logged in, you can freely switch from your different accounts. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.